Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're cutting through the noise to talk about something you probably see every day but maybe don't think much about.
Those metal grates on the side of the road.
Exactly. City water boxes, sometimes called catch basins or rain catchers.
Right.
And our mission today is really to get how these things protect homes and the environment, specifically in Vancouver's West End. We're looking at info mainly from local drainage folks, like Pacific Blue Mechanical.
Okay. Yeah, catch basins. They're sort of the unsung heroes of managing stormwater, you know?
Unsung heroes, I like that.
Especially in places like the West End, it's so built up, right? Rainwater doesn't have many places to just soak into the ground.
So these boxes step in.
They're absolutely your first line of defense against flooding. Really indispensable.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit. We know they stop floods, sort of generally, but what exactly do they do for a place like West End? It's right there on the ocean, has its own distinct weather patterns.
That's a key point, the localization. West End gets some serious rain, especially seasonally, sudden downpours.
Because of the Pacific.
Yeah, that microclimate effect. So these systems need to handle a lot of water, fast. The number one benefit is just, well, protecting property. Getting that rainwater away from streets, sidewalks, basements.
Okay, keeping homes dry, that's huge.
Yeah.
But what about, like, the quality of the water? Do these simple boxes actually clean it? I mean, West End roads get pretty grimy. Oil, other stuff.
They do, yeah. That's the second big benefit, cleaner water. They act as a basic filter almost.
A filter? How so?
Well, they trap the heavier stuff, you know, leaves, dirt, sand, it's trash. But also some of the nastier things like sediment that's got oil or tire bits mixed in.
Okay. The gunk, as you might call it.
Exactly, the gunk. It settles in the bottom of the basin, so the cleaner water on top flows out. This stops a lot of pollutants from getting into, you know, the bigger water bodies like Burrard Inlet or English Bay.
Which is really important for Vancouver's whole green image, right? Keeping those beaches and waterways clean.
Absolutely. It aligns perfectly with the city's environmental goals.
So they protect homes from floods, and they help keep the water cleaner. And I guess by doing all that, they also save the city money. Less damage to roads and sidewalks from all that water.
For sure. Constant water pooling or erosion does a number on infrastructure. But none of this works if the basins aren't looked after.
Right. Maintenance, that seems critical.
It's everything. The sources we looked at, like the info from Pacific Blue Mechanical, really stress this. Regular cleaning isn't just nice to have, it's essential.
Because they're designed to trap debris.
Yeah. Leaves, sediment, litter, it all builds up. If you don't clean them out, they just clog. Simple as that.
And a clogged basin means
The water has nowhere to go, it backs up onto the street, maybe floods basements, and then you're dealing with what the sources call costly emergency repairs. Much more expensive than just regular cleaning.
Okay, so cleaning is key. Now, let's talk about who does the cleaning. Why is local expertise important here? Why not just, a general city crew?
Well, local knowledge is really valuable. Think about it. A company that works in the West End all the time, like the ones mentioned on the Pacific Blue Mechanical site, they understand the specific issues there. The patterns of heavy rainfall we talked about, maybe specific soil types, or how the drainage connects to older buildings. They know the local codes inside out.
So they can tailor the solution better.
Yeah.
It's not just a one-size-fits-all approach.
Exactly. Their solutions are likely to be more effective, more lasting, because they're based on that specific local knowledge. It's not just shoveling out muck, it's understanding the whole system in that specific place.
Right, so choosing the right company means looking for that local track record, maybe checking reviews, making sure their pricing is clear. It's kind of an investment, isn't it?
It really is an investment in protecting your property, yes, but also contributing to the overall health of the neighborhood and the environment.
So wrapping this part up.
Yeah.
A well-maintained, locally managed catch basin system saves money, protects property, keeps the environment cleaner. Pretty good payoff for a concrete box under a grate.
It definitely is. And, thinking ahead.
Yeah.
The source material touches on some innovations, things like smart catch basins.
Smart?
Yeah.
How, like with Wi-Fi?
Huh? Maybe, but more like sensors that can actually measure, water levels or how much sediment has built up inside in real time.
Oh, wow. Okay, so instead of just cleaning them once a year, whether they need it or not.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You could move to predictive maintenance. cleaning them when the data says they're getting full or before a predicted heavy rainstorm.
That could change things quite a bit, couldn't it? Managing rain and floods more proactively.
Potentially, yeah. It could make the whole system much more efficient, maybe even prevent some floods entirely just by knowing where the clogs are about to happen.
That's a really interesting thought to end on. How technology might change even something as basic as street drainage.
The future of gunk management.
Indeed. Well, for anyone wanting more details, perhaps on related things mentioned in the sources like perimeter drainage or poly-B piping issues, you can check out resources like the Pacific Blue Mechanical website.
Good idea.
We hope this deep dive into the world of catch basins gave you a useful shortcut to understanding these vital but often overlooked pieces of our city.